ages, man has yearned to fly. He's bravely fought gravity in his reach for the heavens, often with mixed results. Undaunted by failure, the great aviation visionaries continue to battle the unknown. They continue their search for the perfect flying machine. In the forefront of that battle stands one Art O'Connor of Mobile, Alabama. Working in the secrecy of his garage, Art labored on a truly innovative aerodynamic concept, the flying lawnmower. The Wright brothers may have beaten Art to the punch with the airplane, but he's determined to go them one step better. With the full support of his wife and dog, Art faces the question, can it fly? Art's a patient guy. He says, look how long it took to perfect the DC-10. After months on the drawing board and hundreds of tests, Art was ready to show the world his contribution to the aircraft industry. The air was tense with excitement. The onlookers waited in anxious anticipation for the maiden flight of Art's masterpiece.
Push it all the way.
I'll be fine.
We had a real argument in the club when Art started this project. Some of us had about a 50-50 opinion that it would fly, and the rest didn't believe it would fly at all.
I thought it was going to crash.
He opened up the back of his truck, says, come here, Bumper, I want to show you something. I looked in and I saw that miniature lawnmower, and I said, well, that's nice. And he said, well, and I saw the engine on it. I said, you're not serious. And he said, yes, I am. He says, I've flown it.
I had 100% confidence in him all the time.